Hey everyone, welcome back to our super fun 2024 boat trip vlog series. If you haven't already watched these videos, day 1 through day 12, go back and watch them. Today, we're cruising from the awesome Portage Point Resort to the cool Ludington Harbor. We can't wait to explore Ludington on our adventure, soaking up the sunshine and making lots of amazing memories. Plus, we'll be getting ice cream, so toss the lines and get ready for a day full of fun. Good morning from Portage Point. It was a beautiful night. There's a little bit of fog out there on the lake. We heard the fog bell warning, the fog signal going off. So it's a beautiful day today. The fog is supposed to lift, and you can see that it is lifting. So today we just have a short little trip. I believe it's around 30 miles to Ludington, so Portage Point to Ludington. So we're just going to be heading there pretty soon. So yeah, just going to wipe down the bow, get the canvas up and all put away, and then we're just going to start heading towards Ludington.
Welcome to Ludington. So we just finished successfully docking. We got some lunch and we're gonna head up to the pool.
Okay, we are just in the laundry room and we have both of the washing machines going. Hot water washing machines. And it's washer, the approximate time is 28 minutes and dryer's approximate time is 40 minutes. So yeah, all good. Now I think we're gonna head around to the pool. Okay, so we made it to the Ludington pool. It's just me and Hazel in the pool right now, so I'm gonna jump in. Alright, so we are just getting ready to go for a walk around town. It might start to rain a little bit, so we brought our raincoats and stuff. So we're just going to go for a walk around town. We spent the entire afternoon at the pool, and we did, I think, 3 loads of laundry. And we are just, like I said, going to walk around town for a little bit, and then we are going to come back and eat dinner. So yeah, it's been a beautiful day today, and now it's starting to get a little cloudy and start to rain, so that's okay. So yeah, it's just kind of an update on what we're doing right now. Alright, so we're going to go up around the Badger slip because the Badger is coming in. It is working this year, and I'm going to probably try to launch the drone, get some footage of it, and then we can watch it come in and dock. So yeah, that'll be pretty exciting. So like I said, I'm just walking up the dock and we're going to go over to the Badger slip.
This is the S.S Badger, the last coal-powered ferry in the United States. It was launched in 1952. This vessel has been a vital link between Ludington, Michigan, and Manitowoc, Wisconsin, transporting millions of passengers and vehicles across Lake Michigan. Measuring 410 feet long, the S.S Badger can carry up to 600 passengers and 180 vehicles. If you're looking for a memorable way to cross Lake Michigan, hop aboard the S.S Badger and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing travel ideas. Hey everyone, just a quick shout out. If you're enjoying this stunning drone footage, like the clip currently playing, I invite you to check out my timer channel. There, you'll find many more of my drone shots, including beautiful lighthouses, all set to 5-minute timers. You can easily find the link in the upper right corner or in the description below. Thanks for your support, and I hope to see you over there.
Good night from Ludington. The Badger has took off. He will arrive in Wisconsin at 1:30 in the morning. So we're going to go to bed right now. So it was a great day cruising. Tomorrow we are heading to Muskegon, and yeah, gonna have a lot of fun.
Thanks for joining us on day 13 of our amazing cruise. We hope you enjoyed the journey as much as we did. Don't forget to join us next Sunday as we boat to Muskegon and secure our slip for free. And a quick reminder, 84% of you watching aren't subscribed yet. If you're enjoying our adventures, please hit that subscribe button and become part of our community. Have a great week, and we can't wait to see you next week.